Hello everyone, this is Redwan Rahman. Today I will teach you how to install Ubuntu on virtual machine. Okay, so let's go to any web browser and search for VirtualBox. Then click download. If you're using Windows, click Windows. If Mac, then Mac, and so on. I'm using Windows, so I'll click Windows host. Next, we need to download Ubuntu for VirtualBox. Download Ubuntu desktop. Click and download this one. Click here to download. Next, navigate the downloaded files. Here, the VirtualBox. Let's open. Click next. Click accept. Next. Let's keep it default. Yes. 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 Yeah. Next. Let's start. Press new to add Ubuntu. Let's name it Ubuntu. Click next. Let's keep the username my name, and let's keep the password simple 0000. Okay. Next, we need to allocate resources, like how much memory should take. Let's increase it. Disk size 25 GB. 40. Finish. It's installing. Powering up my virtual machine. Okay, I can see my username. Click. We need to enter password. Wait, 00000. This is the home page. No. Okay. Click here to show apps. Press terminal. Let's see. Show my username. Now we need to install some packages. So we need to type sudo apt install ubuntu hyphen restricted hyphen extras space hyphen 1. So sudo stands for super user duo. It gives the supervisor privileges to the user, and apt stands for advanced package tool. And now we install the restricted extras, and the Y is to like say yes to all the commands. Now press enter. Slow. So our Ubuntu works. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.